Welcome to Galaxy Raceway. I'm Johnny Robinson.
And I'm Finn Robinson.
Yay! So we've got some new cars for you. We've just come back from Swindon, which is all the way down south, isn't it?
Yeah.
And we've spent a couple of days in Gloucester seeing your granny and your granddad, didn't we? And we also saw your Auntie Key and Nanny in Swindon, didn't we?
And Mia.
And Mia. Yes, you like Mia, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, Ruby couldn't come with us this time either, could she?
Yeah.
Because she was all at her mummy's. So, let's have a look at the small selection. We did get more, but we can't find some of them, can we? They're in Galaxy Raceway somewhere. First one's the El Camino.
Yeah.
There we are. How about that one? What do you like about it?
It's a McQueen and it's got flames.
Yeah. It's pretty cool, isn't it? We've got
What do you like about it?
El Caminos. I like the matte green on it. I think it looks pretty cool. You're having your dinner, by the way, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we've been a bit busy. This one, what's it called?
Toy fast.
Yeah, and you got this one from Toyland, didn't you?
Yeah.
But we've just realised it's a bit broken, isn't it? It's got a bit of a dodgy wheel.
Yeah.
But it doesn't seem to affect it too much with its rolling abilities, does it? We'll see if we can fix it.
Yeah.
Next one, this is one of my ones, isn't it?
Yeah.
One of my ones. What's that?
A Honda CRX.
Yeah, and you've already got a Honda CRX, haven't you?
Yeah.
You got a blue one, but
Yeah.
this one's my one.
And we don't have a red. We don't have a red one, don't we?
Well, we do now. Hooray! This one's a Christmas present, isn't it?
Yeah.
Who'd you get that one from?
Granny and Granddad.
Yeah.
So that one is called a Renault Megane Trophy.
Yeah, and it's Gran Turismo, isn't it?
Yeah, it's the Gran Turismo Park.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like the blue details on the blue shiny paint. What do you like?
I like the blue details on the blue paint.
Yes. I also think that at the front it's got some very good details on the lights. Not so much on the back, I don't think. No, not so much on the back, but on the front, very good. There you go. Next up, that we all opened already. What's that one?
Dinosaur
Yeah, and where did you get that one from?
from Toyland.
Yeah, and it kind of looks, again, a little bit like one of the Star Wars cars, doesn't it? Actually, so does that one a little bit, the blue one. What do you like about it?
It's got white details and blue matte details.
Yeah, that's the plastic, isn't it? The blue plastic windows inside. That's pretty cool. Right, so let's open these up quick because we haven't got much time because you've got to finish your dinner. So, which one are we going for first?
Alvento.
Alvento.
Oh,
There you go.
open it.
Go on then, quick. There we are, there's that bit. Come on, come on. There we go. Pop it out. Whoop. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Put the roof off.
Putting the roof off? Wow.
Wow.
That's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
No, it's just a plain white car.
Yeah.
And now it's... There we go. Took its clothes off, haven't you?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
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 What do you like about it?
The roof comes off.
Yeah.
What a lazy
Oi,
baby.
get down. Get down.
You
Naughty cat. Alright, let's open another one then, quick. This one?
That one is a carbonator.
Yeah.
What do you like
Oh, that was
about
easy,
the
wasn't it?
carbonator?
Oh, I like it's got a big blue spoiler at the back. What do you like about it? Put it on the table so we can see it better. There we are. I like that it's got a big blue spoiler.
Yeah.
And it's got a massive jet engine in there, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Are you still very interested in the other one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so there's those two. Shall I open these ones?
I can.
I'll open one then, and you open the other. So we got
I want to open.
my ones. Okay, fine, whatever, girlfriend. So that is.
I'm not a girlfriend.
You're not a girlfriend. 2018 Copo Camaro. Go on, give it an open then. Oh, go on then. Open it on the table. Open it on the table. There we go. What do you like about it?
I like about it's got black stripes.
Yeah.
And
It's really cool, isn't it?
A Hot Wheels logo.
Yeah, right. I'm going to open the last one up and you need to eat your food. Right. Yeah, I like that it is orange, and if you look close enough you can see the sparkles. There. And finally, for today, what's this one?
A Nissan Fair Lady C.
Yeah. And it looks a little bit like, because it's part of the same company, it looks a little bit like that blue Datsun that we've got, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That I said looks a bit wide.
Yeah.
There you are.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's a good roller, isn't it?
Yeah.
And there we go. I like the shape, and that it looks a little bit like a wasp or a bumblebee.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think it's a bumblebee.
You think it's a bumblebee?
Yeah. It looks like a bumblebee.
Yeah. So let's line them all up then anyway, what we got. Oh, and also just what Fran got you, didn't she? Should we show what Fran got you? Fran found these. They're pretty cool, aren't they? And they're rollback cars.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's the other one. So we've got a couple of these as well, haven't we, Finn? So we'll have to make a race one day of all of the cars that you can pull back and go.
But not that one.
Why not?
We don't want to put these ones in Galaxy Raceway.
No, we'll have to make another little raceway for our cars like that. Well, I say for our cars like that. These are your cars, but I've got that red 2CV, haven't I? Right, anyway, that's it for now.
There's one more thing to say. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, press like, don't forget to share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, bye. And don't forget to